Hi everyone on my channel Bob and VK. So let's create this lip look today. Firstly, I'm using a dark brown lip liner. I'm shaping my lips from the center, making a circle and filling the corners of my lips so it looks wider. And now I'm using a white lipstick, so we should trust the process. Smudge with the lip liner. Now I am using the highlighter. I'm giving my lips a glittery look, which I definitely like. Did you like? Just tell me in the comment section. Thank you.